Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make triple layer pumpkin pie. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 2 cups of pumpkin pie filling, a half a cup of sugar, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 16 ounces of some kind of whipped topping, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, which is made from seeds, not a nut, 1 3.4 ounce box of instant vanilla pudding, 1 cup of milk, and then 2 pre-made pie crusts. Now mine, I did have to bake, so if you want to get like the graham cracker crust where you don't have to bake them, that would be perfect, because then this would truly be a no-bake recipe. So I went ahead and I made my pie crust probably like an hour ago, just per the back of their box, and they are all ready to go. Alright, let's start off with our bottom layer, which is the cheesecake layer. We have our cream cheese, sugar, and half of the 16 ounce tub of whipped topping in a large bowl, and I'm just going to blend that with an electric mixer until it is nice and combined. Alright, that looks pretty well mixed to me. So next we are just going to go ahead and fill our pie crust up with this bottom layer. Alright, my bottom layer is on top of both of my pie crusts, and you want to be gentle so you don't break your pie crust. I put a little crack in mine. So next you take your milk and your pudding, and you just want to mix that with a whisk until it is nice and thickened up. Alright, my pudding mixture is thickened up, so next I am going to add my 2 cups of canned pumpkin to this. Alright, that looks good. I went ahead and mixed that with an electric mixer until it was nice and combined. Now I'm going to add my pumpkin pie spice, nutmeg, and cinnamon, and just stir that until it's well blended. Alright, that is nice and evenly blended, so we're just going to pour that over top of our cheesecake layer on both of our pies. Alright, my middle layer is on and looking good. So next we are just going to add a Cool Whip layer, just a thin one over top. So just take the rest of your whipped topping and layer it over top of each of the pies, and then we're just going to sprinkle some spices on there just to make it look festive. Alright, both of my pies are all ready to go into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. And I just sprinkled some of my pumpkin pie spice and my cinnamon on top of it, just, you know, for a festive look. So like I said, they need to go into the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. And I'm probably going to cover mine with saran wrap. Alright, my pie came out of the refrigerator and it looks amazing. So let's go see what Taste Tester thinks. We'll cut him a piece. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dang, not from Mom. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Bye.
Bye.